Alright, so we're gonna be running the chest try day with Zay. Jay might come through. My girl's gonna work out with us a little bit. And we're just gonna run this shit through, see what we do. Kinda just gonna wing it, go through there, and we're gonna run it from start. We start off with bench press. Zay's not here yet, cause you know, black people time is always, but it is what it is. No time can be wasted.
Them niggas get on y'all ass, y'all play with me like I ain't worse. Tryna gossip other blocks like y'all ain't said my name first. He a junkie, he ain't shot his gun, yeah, he blame perks. Shot a video and had a shootout in the same shirt. What you know about popping?
Alright, now we can take a rest break. Finally warmed up a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna start my first set at 225. Probably doing AMRAP at 315 and AMRAP at 225. Then we'll get into the actual like chest work that y'all want to see, not benching and all that other shit. Alright, 225 is actually moving a lot better than it was at the start, but my body recovered, let my body warm up a little bit. We're probably gonna hit 315 for 12 plus today. 6 weeks out. Not too many other people doing shit like that. I'm just built different. I'm him. Where is this nigga Zay at? I hate black people.
Moving backwards. You lucky you don't be doing shit for the gram. You niggas cowards. We no rumors. Rest in peace to Cooper. I jumped on a school bus and I hit Bronco Ruger.
I'm gonna make her into a demon. I'm gonna make her into a demon. Just wait on it. About 6 months, she'll be a demon. I promise you.
I know this shit don't matter. I took a shower with a cougar. Bring him out retirement, he gon' kill you for that moolah. Catch him in the morning, wake him up, that boy a rooster.
Tell you, I'm gonna turn her into a demon. You'll be okay.
That weekend he was woozy. Watch the shit you say, the feds be listening to the music. And they gon' take your lyrics and build a case and try to use it. DA dropped my murder, didn't have evidence to prove it. I think my house is 100, yeah, by who the ghost of Pookie.
Look who finally showed up.
Yeah, we've been here early, but I wanted to get that work in before Mitri got here. He just didn't know.
Yeah,
I've been working out since 5 o'clock in the morning because we're trying to go pro this year, you feel me?
Sound good. You sound real good.
And it's a warm up? For sure.
Warm up? Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, you first. Right here. Come on.
It's natty. Fuck, my shoulder kind of tweaking up.
Oh yeah, his shoulder tweaking.
Yeah, my shoulder kind of tweaking, so I can't really do it right now. I mean, we can do it like next set. I'll warm up with it real quick. Do like a quick 10, 12? Yeah. Take 45 off of it real quick. My shoulders are fucked, but I warm up 225 just because I want to talk my shit. Because Mitri think he big, but while he's gonna be a little string bean for his cut, I'm finna be bulked up.
Think about this. He was 201 on stage. I'm gonna be like 218 on stage.
Okay, and I'm about to be 220 on stage. December. Yeah. Oh man, look, that shit crazy. I don't even bitch. Maybe I might have put a 315 on. I don't know. Mickey, when's the last time I bitched? Fuck.
Oh, look at this guy. We got a cool guy over here. We got a cool guy. He think he's big.
Ooh, I ain't gonna lie to you. That bitch just hurt the fuck out my shoulder, boy. How you doing?
See, that's what you get.
Ah, shit. You got some pink ones too? That's cute. That's cute. Real niggas on here only, you feel me?
Y'all see how I'm not paying him no mind, right?
I wake up early in the morning, I just want to talk my shit.
Niggas just want to be heard because nobody else gonna listen to him. They just want to be heard. He's like a faceless account on TikTok.
You got what?
You're like a faceless account on TikTok. Just want to be heard.
Hey man, niggas fuck with me though.
You're right. Niggas fuck with me too.
Niggas don't fuck with me.
Yeah.
Niggas be messaging me like, man, fuck that nigga Mitri, bro. He's fake weights and all, bro. I'm telling you.
It is fake weights. We're at the gym that I work at. Fake weights. Fake bar too. That's why Zay was able to bench 225 so easy, because they're fake.
Nah, I warm up with 315, bro. It's not serious.
Send her home. I got rich out strong, we get them in and get them gone. You know Trappy just got out, ain't have to put them on. We the ones who got the numbers to put the city on. It's the middle of the summer, I got a hoodie on. My demon time ain't nothing nice, I try not to wear nothing tight. I came up off of shooting dice, yeah. My little brother ain't living right, my sister them doing alright. My cousin them still serving life, yeah. Seen the robber digging, I seen the
Nope, fuck. Fuck. Over here deadlifting this bitch to get that bitch up, bro. Fuck.
Hey, I'll take a quick 17, 6 weeks out. That's only 200 my PR. I'm him.
Chance that I get, I want the biggest watch that they got, don't care if that shit hurt my wrist. All these hoes fuck on us all, I wish
186 and she hasn't done shoulder press in like 3 weeks. It's not bad at all. Good job.
Actually, I probably haven't shoulder pressed in about a month ago.
Huh?
A little solid.
A little solid. A little guy though. Nothing wrong with that, you know?
They woke up a beast. Struggle what made me. We used to have water for dinner. We didn't have nothing to eat. Soon as I get on his ass, they gon' look on me bad. I'm like, damn, he was fucking with me. Yeah. I'ma turn up on a hater every chance that I get. I want the biggest watch that they got. Don't care if that shit hurt my wrist. All these hoes fuck on us all. I wish I would claim that bitch. They get hard when they get guns. We got a hood full of sticks. Soon as they say we can't come, you know we'll run around that bitch. You can mix me with that shit. You know I live in the mix. Money, cars, and clothes and hoes. You know I live in the mix. Money, cars, and clothes and hoes.
I'm from the trenches, nigga be tucked on the net, but really be there for attention. Bitches be talking like they really rich, but really be begging me under my pictures. I give up 40, 50,000 cash to start up a business. I spend that shit at the dentist. I'd rather fucking impale but rent for a year, just to get out of her feelings. I'm in the Lambo truck in my hood, nobody gon' tell me shit. Going to Cali, I pick my weed for sure, nobody gon' mail me shit. Dice game, crops a CeeLo, I need cash, don't sell me shit. Baby got his hood, I'm smashing, you can tell they really rich. Drop the low, ain't no room right now, I took her to the O. Then I put up on the lamp, cause she a fan of Booney Mo. I got the city on lock, fucking up all the ops. I be around with $3 million in jury, I'm standing on all the blocks. This an anthem, dropping the 6 in the Phantom, Black Rose truck with the always seems to remind me I'm sitting on Panda.
I also need to get back home from work and I still gotta get her Starbies.
I'm chilling. I just have to go get more than Starbucks and I go home and just sleep.
Yeah, must be nice.
It is.
I gotta go home, finish my first job, come here at 3:30 and work till about 8:15, then do cardio after.
I might do some cardio. I doubt it.
You're not gonna do no cardio.
No.
What's the point?
Because to keep me lean, I've noticed to help me get this water off.
Yeah, but
I got striations and I like, you see this? Like it's ass.
Alright, let's go take a posing video, like a mini one, and then. Alright, so we just hit chest with my dog Zay, my beautiful girlfriend right here. It was a solid session, could have been better. I probably shouldn't have benched, but you know, it is what it is. Still got a good workout in, still look fucking sick, and we're 6.5 weeks out now. Coach just turned it up a little bit, and I'm excited to see what happens on stage come June 18th, and then come June 24th for Summer Shredding. Everybody who watches full video, I appreciate you guys endlessly. You guys mean the world. You guys are the reason I keep doing this stuff. You guys are the reason I'm able to be out here, and I can't thank you guys enough for that. So just continue to run up Code MITRI, continue to support, and I'm gonna keep putting out great content for you guys. Love y'all. We out. Code MITRI. Run up HELIMIX. Run that up. Code MITRI. INAKA. Y'all see the fit? Best gym fits in the game. I'm the best in the game. No cap to it.